Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining us today. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the "You must assign a manager" located in the lower right of the screen error on EFC24. Let's dive in. The first fix is to check the manager assignment. Ensure that a manager is assigned to your team. Navigate to the squad screen and confirm that a manager is present and correctly slotted in. To do this, go to the Ultimate Team mode from the main menu, then navigate to the Squad tab. Check the lower right corner of the screen for the presence of a manager. If not, select the manager slot and choose a manager from your club to assign. If the issue persists, try using a different manager. Swap out your current manager for a different one. It's possible that the game is not registering the manager correctly, and changing to a different manager might resolve this. To do this, open your EAFC24 Ultimate Team, tap on the club, then tap on the squad. Select your current manager and choose Swap Manager from the options. Select a different manager from your club and confirm the change. Lastly, try squad deletion and reassignment. Sometimes the glitch might be with the squad rather than the manager. Consider deleting your current active squad and creating a new one. Then assign a manager to see if the error message disappears. To do this, open EFC24, tap on Open Settings, click on Edit Teams and go to the Squad tab. Then go to Squad Actions and select Delete Squad or Reset All Squad. Confirm the deletion or reset, create a new squad and assign a manager as you did in Step 1. And that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause or rewind to follow the steps at your own pace. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.